Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by connecting your Xbox to a stable network. Use Ethernet for reliability. Sign in to Xbox Live so cloud saves and online features are ready. Next, install Sparking Zero from the Microsoft Store or insert the game disk. Let the console apply all updates. Once done, open the game from My Games and Apps and allow initial patches to download. Make sure notifications and background downloads won't interrupt this first launch. Now you'll walk through core setup and controls so you can play effectively. Complete the in-game tutorial to learn basic moves and the HUD because those gestures become muscle memory. Then remap buttons and tweak sensitivity to match your style. This improves reaction time. Adjust graphics settings, choose performance for smoother frame rates or quality for visuals, and enable HDR if your TV supports it. Once tuned, practice combos in training mode to reinforce timing and resource management. Finish by focusing on progression and multiplayer so your experience is complete. Follow campaign objectives to earn XP, unlock abilities, and craft gear. Prioritize upgrades that fit your playstyle. When joining online matches, make sure your NAT type is open and party voice is configured to avoid connectivity issues. If you run into crashes or won't launch, clear the Xbox cache, try a console power cycle, or reinstall the game. If problems persist, test another profile or storage device as a key troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.